Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Donnie BRC, and also known as the RC Car Addict. And today I got something special for y'all. A buddy of mine, Rob Shaffer, came at me with the idea of doing a custom build. I just so happened to have a brand new Nitro kit in the box, and what he did is he custom anodizes stuff, and these anodized jobs he does are kind of one-off, depending on what the customer wants. He has everything from wood grain anodizing, blue and purple, crazy colors. Mostly he does paintball guns, but today we have probably, I guess it's going to be a one-of-a-kind. This is one-off, unique. Only one in the world is going to be like this, but a full custom anodized build that I'm going to do. And this is part one. And I was going to show y'all, I haven't even opened these yet, but this is how I received them back from him. Took about 3 weeks total to get them to him. He kind of did this on the side between some other jobs. So I was just going to cut into these and let y'all check it out. Oh man, this is, I've been waiting to open it. Waiting to open all these packages. And I haven't even seen them out of the pack yet. I mean, these things are absolutely insane. Look at that. So he had a design similar to this, but a little bit different. But you know, each one comes out unique. Look at these guys. That's the shock towers. Once we open all this stuff, I'll grab the camera and give you an even better look at everything. Up next, we got the shocks and the shock caps. And this is done like super professional, the way you send everything back. It's all sealed so it doesn't get scratched in the mail. Awesome guy. Y'all can reach Rob at blizzardanodizing, the Facebook page he has, or at blizzardanodizing@gmail.com. Y'all check out these shock caps. I mean the shocks and the shock caps. Absolutely wicked. And if I didn't already have e-buggy rebuild I was doing, I'll be building this thing right now. But I figured I'd just make this video. Maybe this will be like part one. And when I get everything built, come back and show it fully done and everything. I mean, I just this is incredible. You can go on Facebook and check out Blizzard Anodizing. You can see he's got a bunch of pictures of the stuff he's done. So I got all the A, B, C, and D blocks done also. I mean, that is just crazy. So my paint scheme, let's see, my paint scheme looks normally like this. I'm getting a new iteration of this, a new version of this, done by unveiling. He's my paint guy. But I wanted something that matched this. And man, that just, it's pretty wicked. So, came out awesome. Let's see, let's get these other. The way everything matches, I mean, just, they're each in a part is like individual, but just the attention to, I mean, the detail in this color and stuff is crazy. Here's the hubs, some other stuff. Let's check this out real quick. Probably won't open every single part just because it's gonna take a little while to get all these open. But yeah, I really like how he vacuum sealed all this. Actually, this one came open pretty good. Check out the hubs, y'all. I mean, wow. Actually, I will go ahead and open all these. Then I can come over here and move the camera when I get done. Lay everything out, let you guys see it. Man. There's my servo saver. Huh. So he does, you can get a small amount of stuff done, or you can get, I mean, you could get just your, like your Nitro engine, the cooling head, and the pipe done. Or you can go crazy with it like this, like I did. The price, what he charges, depends on how many pieces you get done and how many colors you get done. But he'll work with you on, you know, if you want to get a few things done, or you want to go kind of full bore like I did and get the whole car done. Let's see if I can get these open right quick. I can't wait to get this thing built. It's gonna be wicked crazy. Man, I'm excited. I actually waited from yesterday to get this, to make this video. I was just exhausted last night, but I was excited to open them up. There's all my camera links and stuff. My rear chassis brace. Wow. Man. Yeah, I can't wait to get this thing built. Hopefully my parts will be in from Serpent this week, so I can finish my rebuild on my e-buggy. He did the wheel nuts. So he sent me some pictures throughout the process. It's pretty cool. He uses he makes like a custom sticky foam that he shoots on here and then dips a color. I believe, I might be wrong with this process, but he can explain it better. But he sent me pictures throughout the process of each color going on and how he sprayed the foam. It basically blocks from other colors getting on where that spot is. And he just did it multiple times until he came out with that full look like that. And last but not least, the chassis. And I've been wanting to open this. It looks badass. Wow. Look at that, y'all. Huh. So, let's see. All right, I'm gonna grab the camera, show y'all all the stuff laid out here so you can see it even better in the light. But like I said, check out Rob Shaffer. He's on Facebook at, you can check his personal page, it's Rob Shaffer, but Blizzard Anodizing, the Facebook page, go on there and check it out, see some of the designs he's got. Or you can message me, I can get you in touch with him. Or you can email him at blizzardanodizing@gmail.com. Like I said, let's dive down right quick and I'll give y'all first-hand look at this stuff. It just, man, it's cool. And he said this is like one-off custom. Nobody's ever had an RC car like this. This is, if you wanna customize, you like your stuff looking different than everybody else, you show up to the track with this. People are gonna notice. And I just like being different, man. I like my stuff to look cool. I like it to be different. So, all right, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll do a part 2 when I get this thing start getting it built and everything. I'll definitely come back and do a part 2. All right, y'all have a good one.